Hey everyone! In this video, I will show you how to synchronize your Teams files folder to File Explorer for easy access. First, open the Teams channel where the files you want to sync are stored. Then go to the Files tab. These are the files we will sync to File Explorer. Click on the three dots and select Sync. If you're not signed in to OneDrive, you will need to log in with the same account you use in Teams. In my case, I have to do that now. Click Next. This error is not important at this time, so we will just ignore this and keep going. Click through to the end and you're all set. Now open File Explorer and you should see a new folder with a house icon and your company name. Inside you will find your synced Teams files. To test if everything is working, I will create a new text file in the synced folder. And after refreshing Teams, there it is. And that's it. Now you can access your Teams files directly from File Explorer. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and leave a comment. See you in the next one. Bye.